Assalamu alaikum to all my dears. In previous lecture, we discussed about the basic definitions in thermochemistry, and today our discussing topic is internal energy. What is the internal energy? Here, internal energy stands for that is internal energy of the system. In a system, if we put any gas, then the molecules move, and the energy due to the movement of the gas molecule, that is called kinetic energy. And in molecules, there are multiple bonds which are present between the molecules, and the bond stored energy, that is known as potential energy. Bond stored energy. What is meant by internal energy? It means internal energy, it is the sum of internal energy, it is the sum of all possible, it is the sum of all possible kind of energies, all possible kinds of energies of system is called internal energy. It means we can say that internal energy, that is the sum of kinetic energy and the potential energy of the system. Here the kinetic energy is due to the movement of gas molecules, and movement of particle, and potential energy, that is bond stored energy, is called potential energy. Bond stored energy. Suppose that if we have hydrogen gas, if we have first monoatomic gas, any one monoatomic molecules like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, these molecules, the movement of these molecules is translatory motion, or translational motion or translatory motion. The actual motion of these molecules is translational motion. In translational motion, different categories of the motions are present, like random motion, like circular motion, and when they collide to each other, then the translatory motion it converts into the random motion here. Now if we talk about diatomic molecules like hydrogen H2 or N2 or O2, then these atoms will collide to each other, and here the vibrational motion, to and fro motion around the mean position, is called vibrational motion. In diatomic molecules, vibrational motion is possible. If we see in triatomic and tetratomic molecules, each atom also rotates around its own axis, and the self rotation, that is called rotational motion. These are all motion, these are all movements. It means these are all kinds of the kinetic energy. If we see in a gas molecule, different types of the kinetic energies are present, and if we have 1 mole of any gas, then 6.02 multiplied 10 raised to the power 23 molecules are present, and each molecule has a characteristic bond, and they have characteristic bond energy. So net bond energy of entire the system cannot be determined accurately, or net internal energy of the system, net internal energy of system, cannot be determined net internal energy of the system cannot be determined accurately, so we talk about change in internal energy delta E. Change in internal energy delta E, if we provide Q amount of heat energy to any system, then the energy is changed or transferring of the energy in two ways. Transferring of energy is transferred in the form of heat Q or work done W. Energy is transferred in the form of heat and work done W. Here in chemistry, the work done W is not of force and displacement, because here force acting on unit area, it becomes pressure and displacement, that is change in volume. Now work done, it may be work done by the system and work done on the system. If the work done is by the system, then it will negative, and if work done on the system on the system, then work done positive. तो वर्क डन पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव, जब सिस्टम खुद काम करेगा देन नेगेटिव, अगर सिस्टम पर हम काम करेंगे ऑन द सिस्टम वर्क डन होगा, उसको हम पॉजिटिव कहेंगे, क्योंकि उस वक्त W की वैल्यू जो है वो इंक्रीज करती चली जाएगी और यहां पर W की जो वैल्यू है वो डिक्रीज करती चली जाएगी. सपोज दैट we have any glass flask. In glass flask we put limestone like marble CaCO3 और इसमें हम एसिड HCl को डाल देते हैं, then it will become CaCl2 calcium chloride plus H2O plus CO2. और यहां पर हम इसमें पुट कर देते हैं एक डिलीवरी ट्यूब है, कॉर्क की मदद से हमने इसको बंद कर दिया. नाउ here we attached a piston, that is the piston, and initial volume of that piston of that cylinder is V1. When we put HCl into the marble or limestone calcium carbonate, then a characteristic gas is formed, that is CO2. Now CO2 gas, the molecules of the CO2 will transfer to their piston and they will exert a force on unit area, and we know that force acting on unit area, that is called pressure. Now it will exert a pressure and the piston will move backward direction and its volume becomes V2 from V1. Now the change in volume delta V is equal to V2 minus V1, because here V2 is greater than V1 and that is work done by the system, not on the system. सिस्टम ने खुद काम किया है, पिस्टन को मूव किया है, तो सिस्टम की वर्क एफिशिएंसी आहिस्ता आहिस्ता डिक्रीज होती चली जाएगी, कम होती चली जाएगी. वर्क डन बाय द सिस्टम विद नेगेटिव साइन, W इज इक्वल टू P इंटू डेल V. तो केमिस्ट्री में हम जिस वर्क की बात करते हैं that is pressure volume work W is equal to P into del V with minus sign, that is work done by the system. So the transferring of energy takes place in two forms, in the form of heat Q and in the form of work done. And in chemistry it is remember that work done on the system will be positive, and work done by the system is taken as negative. And here that is the work done by the system, that's why it is taken as negative. तो नेक्स्ट वन जो है वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स, ताकि हम फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स को जो है वो अच्छी तरीके से देख सकें चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी के बाद. थैंक यू वेरी मच.